There will always be a Hiccup and Astrid. Always.
You were right, Hiccup. There's so much more out here, and it's beautiful.
Sure you're okay?
Yeah. Hey, you know how I am.
Yes, I do. But you can't just go off on your own like that, Astrid. I rely on you.
Okay. Hiccup! I can't see any of you! What if this is it, Hiccup? What if the rest of my life is like this? What then?
Then we'll deal with it. Just because you can't see doesn't mean you're helpless. Astrid, you and I have been through everything together. You don't think we can handle this? Astrid, you have me, no matter what. Okay, whatever that means, whatever you want it to mean, I am with you. Astrid, are you
looking at you? Seems like it.
You sure you're feeling okay?
I'm fine, Hiccup. You can stop worrying about me now.
Oh, I never stop worrying about you. That's just the way it is.
Yeah. I guess that goes for me too.
Whoa. Okay, you've got to hold on tighter.
Sorry.
Don't apologize. The truth is, obviously, I'm glad you're here.
In the sea, lovers without ships and lovers without sight.
Okay?
I'm okay. Let's just go home.
Lovers losing time and lovers losing home. Will you let me find?
Have you seen Hiccup? Don't close your eyes, Astrid. We must stay awake for Hiccup Haddock.
Can I ask you something?
Jeff, sure.
Back in the forest when we were, well, you know.
Yeah.
Well, why didn't you?
Oh. Well, it wasn't perfect.
Well, this seems pretty perfect to me.
Yeah.
In the sea, lovers without ships.
You need to stay with us. Can't imagine a world without you in it.
You're the only way out of this sea.
Oh no, Hiccup! Please breathe. Please breathe.
Lovers losing home. You're the only way.
I can't imagine a world without you in it either.
Lovers without ships and lovers without sight. You're the only way out of this.
I hope the others are okay. Astrid, I'm sure Hiccup is safe.
Are you really going to sacrifice your future?
Well, I guess when you put it that way. No, I'm not! No!
Are you okay?
Wherever you
Yeah, I'll be fine.
It's finally over. It is over, right?
Yeah, of course.